Hi, I'm Anita Khatri and welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Today I'm at the House of Rose and I have something very different and special. Meet Mr. Kevin Kharas. He is my life partner. With Valentine's Day around the corner, we thought we'll do something different and also very interesting but challenging. We decided that we are going to buy a watch for each other. We haven't given a thought, we haven't discussed anything, but this will act like a test. How much or how well he knows me after so many years, and how much do I know him well and meet up with his choice. Let's go. Okay, so Kevin, you go your way now, I'll go my way.
This is really beautiful, but I would think Anita already has a constellation. It doesn't really make sense in buying it.
Now let me head to Bulgari and see what is in store.
Hi, I'm just actually having a look.
Sure, sir.
I want to thinking of buying something for my wife for the day of February 14th.
Okay, quite nice. I think
Yes,
we have
yeah.
lots of watches.
Yeah, there's a lot of choices. I have to see something which would suit my pocket too. I am looking for something in the range of, say, 5 to 6, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 to 7, maximum I could stretch to 7.
We have a serpentine, sir. Serpentines are very good model for retail.
Okay.
And also we have this all steel watch, which is quite a
Can I have a look?
serpentine. That's
It's total steel, is it?
yes, all steel. Yes.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. This also comes in steel and gold and steel as well.
Okay, dual tone.
The dual tone is also there.
Okay.
But the
But
price
this,
range
but
goes
this,
from
yeah. This has a diamond steel.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, bezel, okay.
We can also go for golden steel Sherry-Tori known as another model. It's exactly same. Only the thing is this has a scale, a different belt.
Well, okay.
Yes, that's only
It
different.
looks beautiful, yeah.
Also very-
How much is this?
This one should be 8,67,000.
Oh, not bad, okay.
It's quite good. Sapphire crystal diamond, rose gold.
I'm sure Anita would love these Bulgari timepieces, but I would like to check a few more options.
Is there anyone? Is,
Nice.
yeah, hi. Oh, I just met you in Bulgaria. As I told you, I have to make a choice.
You can see something with diamonds,
Sorry.
and you got something with white dial.
This is a quartz movement. Yeah, okay.
Quartz. Women's again, they generally come lots of quartz momentos. Yes.
Although I have seen the watches from Tag Heuer, I just think this is not her. Okay, now let me head towards Chopard, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed and hopefully find a gift for her.
Wyatt.
Yes. Nice.
Hi, hi.
What is, yeah, what is, I would like to have a look at this.
Starts up. So 6 lakhs.
Yeah, why?
Yes.
See, this is something where this is something, you have the floating diamonds, right?
Yes, that's right.
And I think this is something where the women,
Yes, women we have it. This one is one of the really hot sell. Take a lovely diamonds and plus it does have diamonds. So very good. for
Okay,
Valentine's
okay.
especially.
and what is the price of this? How much this comes up?
This comes at 9,20,000.
Oh, but then this is a little of a big stretch.
Yeah, a
Some-
little bit, but
yeah.
it's a quite nice watch. So you see, it's a mother of pearl dial with a gold and steel combination. It's a real 18 karat gold on it. So
And automatic.
Quartz.
Quartz. Okay.
This is a quartz. This is automatic.
Or I don't know. But then you said this is 925 and this is how much?
This is 5,95,000.
And how much would this black one?
Sure, sir.
That is black with gold indices, right?
Yes, it has a gold index. All black. This will be for 6,30,000.
Oh, elegance wise, I think I would prefer this.
She prefer a lot of black.
Black, yeah.
That's a good idea to go for black. Yeah?
Okay, then I think I would settle for this.
This one?
Yeah.
Sure.
And what? This is a quartz, and what's the
It's
what?
again a quartz. Yeah, it has a gold only on the lugs you can see for and in
On the
inner
prints.
parts.
Okay,
It's
inner
on the
parts.
prints,
Okay,
yes.
okay. And basically, they come with a warranty. Or
They have 5 years international warranties.
okay.
Yes.
The crown is only for your time setting.
Only for time.
Time setting. It has a date also. Okay.
Yeah,
What
date
is there a separate key actuation? Can you? There is a quick date change, or it's only?
It's a quick date, yeah. It's a date, yeah. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It's
So what quartz mechanism is there in this?
a quartz.
Okay, I will
Back this
go in for this. Yeah.
Sure, sir. I'll get this back.
Or can I see the white too?
Yes, sure.
One is better than the other.
Yes.
Oh, so basically these are the same.
It's the same watch.
Yeah, why ahead?
Yes.
So between these three, I think I will settle for this
Automatic.
automatic. Yeah,
It's a good choice.
but yeah. And what is the name of this model?
So this is known as Imperia.
Imperia. Okay.
Yes.
Imperial,
So
okay.
far Imperial.
Okay. Okay. So can we have this packed?
Yes, so surely I'll get
Okay.
this one right away.
So finally, actually, I'm selecting this because Chopard is a very dear to the women,
True.
and I think my wife doesn't have this color too,
Okay.
and it will look great on her wrist.
It's a great choice.
Great choice. Yeah, thanks. So I think you get this packed.
Sure.
Hi. Actually, I'm looking for a men's watch, not a woman's watch, and see the price range, which could be in the 6 to 7 lakhs.
6 to 7.
Yeah.
I love it.
Bulgari BB. Huh? That's a BB, right?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
it.
Can I see the? Yeah, actually,
It's lovely.
yeah, that's true. And it's rubber, right?
It's a rubber.
And this is aluminium.
Correct.
Yeah, it's so light, huh? I'm buying it for my husband, and he will love it. He'll love because it's quite light, huh? Light on the wrist.
You can wear
How
it.
much is the price?
This is 8 lakhs. I'm sorry, 4 lakhs 3,000.
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs 3,000.
Okay, so it's within my budget, but this, don't you think the size is a little bit small? What is the what's the
38
mm?
size?
38.
38. Yes.
38. I think actually he already has a Longines which is pretty smaller size.
Similar size.
Similar size. So I would like to see something which is different. What about this Octo in aluminum, in titanium?
Octofinissimo titanium.
Ah.
The lightest watch.
Yeah,
And hard.
that's nice. That's something he'll really love it because it's light on your wrist and it's also the slimmest watch. So it's
True.
very simple. What is the mm here? Can you
This is
can
a
you
42 mm.
we open it?
Yes.
How many mm is it?
242.
242. And price?
This price is as 10 lakhs, ma'am.
Yeah, this is something more of him. And this is priced at 10.
This is priced as 10. This is priced at
4
and this is priced at 7.
7. Well, I think it's beyond my budget, but this is more of him. He would be actually go for this. Okay, thank you. Let me see around.
Sure.
Thank you. I don't think so. I'm inclined because he has certain similar looking watches, especially the Seiko Prospects. Monaco is the only one, but I don't think so. Monaco. Aqua Racer, no. I think I would like to see the Millimedia here.
Sure.
Both. Actually, what's the difference between the dial size of both? This one and that one?
So we have this one is 45 mm.
45 mm.
Yes. And this is the 38.
This is 38. And this is leather or
Correct.
rubber?
That's it. Leather. This is
This-
also leather. Both
This is
are
leather. Both are leather.
both are leather.
So this is the Millimedia, and you said this is how much? 45 mm.
That's right, 45 mm.
Okay.
It's priced at 6,65,000.
6,65,000.
It's quite a good price.
Yeah, it is, no doubt. Actually, I like even this, but this is 38 and he has something 38. So I don't know how big this will look. You said,
Sure, try it out.
how much you said?
45.
45. Yeah, 45 isn't it too big? Isn't it too big?
It is big. It is big for like if as a big person, then definitely
It's
be
good.
fine for him. Yeah.
But even for Kevin, it will be. And okay, there is a tachymeter. It's a chronograph,
Yes, it's a
right?
chronograph, correct.
But it has a big date aperture.
Yes. you
Is
can
there a
see
power reserve?
magnify. No, this is yeah, it has a power reserve basically, but it doesn't have indicator.
Indicator doesn't
Indicator
have,
is
but
not.
power
But its
reserve
power
is there.
reserve
Na? How much
definitely
is the power
48
reserve?
hours.
48 hours.
48 hours power reserve.
And you said it's priced at
This is 6,65,000.
6,60,000.
665.
It's well priced and I like the watch as well. Interesting brands here, but I want to see the Blancpain
Blancpain, yes.
and especially the Villeray.
Surely.
This one piece.
Yes. It's one of the outstanding pieces what we
It looks
have.
to be expensive
Yes.
to me, but I still want to see and understand it.
Sure. Take it.
This is in
It's
rose
a
gold.
Rose gold. Yes.
Okay.
It has date. And
Yeah, that's what has
mark also.
attracted me because Kevin, my husband, he really loves this apertures with day and date. Very clearly, this is on right at 12 o'clock.
Yes.
It really looks so nice. What about the date? The date is in the
So date
semicircle.
is in the round circle. You can see. It's
Okay.
right about the on number index.
And I like that dial color. It's
yes,
an olive
it's a green
color.
color.
You know,
Olive
it's a
green is very
brown,
pretty.
rose gold. Very nice. Please tell me the price.
Price is very well priced now. 25 lakh 55,000.
Wow, it's well beyond my budget.
You can see through it.
Yeah, I can see the rotor. It has also nice polish there on the rotor.
They do a lot of different graphics on the rotor channel.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. I don't know the name of this particular polish that is there here, but it's beautiful. Is it limited edition?
No, it's
You know, I think there is
What's the
50
price?
fathoms. Maybe
Yes.
something which is lower price. If
we
you
have
can
50 fathom. Again, the rubber
Oh, that's interesting.
yeah,
It's a
rubber
canvas strap, is it?
canvas. This is the 50 fathom. Yes, it's a canvas come rubber strap.
I
on
love
it.
that.
Yes.
So it has a rubber strap. So
This
In-
is
in
more like
our
your
kind of
diver's watch
climate,
kind of a thing.
it's a diver's
yes,
watch?
yes. This can be a diver's watch.
can be a
Because
diver,
they
but
have
it has
almost
a
1,000
this is a date aperture, right?
Correct. That
Between
is it,
4
yeah.
and 5.
Yes, it's a date.
Okay, and does it have on the indexes? Since it's diver's watch, I'm guessing
It
is
has a
luminol,
super Yes,
luminol.
super luminol.
So super luminol. Okay, this is interesting. How is this priced?
Sure. This is very well priced. 9 lakh. 12 lakh 11,000.
12 lakh.
12 lakh.
And what's the material? What is the
This
bezel
is
material?
all
and the-
steel.
Steel?
Steel.
But what finish is this?
This is the gunmetal finish.
Gun.
It has been indeed a tough decision for me which brand to select for Kevin. So 3 brands I selected. One is Blapa, Bulgari, Chopard.
This is very interesting. What is this?
This is Bracketa. This
Bracketa.
is Barrett's.
Barons.
Barons, yes.
Barons. Yeah, I've heard of this.
Yes.
Barons.
This
what
company
is-
is founded in 2012.
Okay.
They have a
2012.
2012.
Oh, so
yes.
it's a new
Very
brand.
easy brand.
Barons.
Barrett's. It's from China.
Huh?
China. It's a Chinese brand.
It's a Chinese brand.
Correct. That's right.
It's not a Swiss brand.
Yes,
It's
but,
Barons.
you must have heard about it. ENF.
Yes.
So
MBNF.
yeah, so these are the the very complicated watchmakers. So this is one of the owners who's doing Barrett right now.
Oh, okay.
So that's
I
why
want to see this one. And also show me the black one now.
Yes,
What are the working here?
sure. Black.
Yeah, this black one. What is this?
This is again a very complicated watch.
Yeah, so how do you say the time?
So you see the arrows over here, hours and minutes.
Oh, here, hours
Yes,
and minutes.
yes, that's right.
So this disc is telling you the minutes, and this disc is telling you hours, and this is a movement
This
that you
is
can
just a
see,
movement
or
you
it's
can
a
see.
decoration.
No, it's,
It's a movement.
everything moves. Yes.
How is it priced?
This is priced at only 4,10,000.
Oh, that's nice price. And this one?
This one. This has a lot of Velcro style.
Mhm.
It has a very lightweight also.
Wahid was kind enough to show me Blapa. At Blapa, I discovered 2 collections. One is the Vilray collection, and other is 50 Fathoms. Vilray, solid gold, very beautiful, very classy, sophisticated, but it's just a little bit too expensive. It's more than 25 lakhs, almost 25 lakhs. 50 Fathoms on the other end, I think I saw black and blue, and I'm leaning towards the blue. So I will pick up the blue one and let Kevin decide then.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you, thank you. Chopard, huh? No, it's right only. No? Oh. Oh. Nice. steel and gold. This is gold.
Yeah, that's rose gold. This is one color which you didn't have.
Okay. So color is the reason for this watch.
Yes,
Nice. Very, very pretty.
and it's an automatic.
It's an automatic. Very nice. Oh, nice. And to tell you honestly, I didn't have a Chopard, so it's a good choice. Thank you for that. But if you had to ask me to select,
Yeah,
I would have been caught for myself also the way I've caught for you. I would have probably looked at Bulgari and Chopard. It would have been a tough decision for me. I don't have a Bulgari
no, but I
as
didn't
well,
want. I always.
and I don't have Chopard,
think
but it's fine.
Chopard has a charm of its own.
Bulgari,
Bulgari too, yes. Next Valentine.
okay.
Doesn't it look exquisite? It's beautiful.
Okay, fine. Since you've already done the choice, you've already taken the decision. Now you look at these watches. Tell me which one. This is the most expensive here. This is okay, although above my budget. But you know what is interesting here is the Luminova, the Super Luminova on the indexes, which you like. It's a diverse watch, but I like the date aperture here. And of course, it's an automatic watch.
Let me have a look.
It's titanium. It
Yeah.
is it is
Yeah,
the
I've read about
slimmest
that.
movement,
Yeah.
Octo Finissimo. Nice,
Yeah, it's very nice.
lovely, na?
It's beautiful.
Don't want to try it.
No, as it is, no, it's okay. There are too many things to try. Oh, I love this.
Who wouldn't love this, right? This is the Octo
Let-
Finissimo. Yeah.
And which is this? This is something.
Behrams. It's a new brand. But first finish seeing this, then I'll show you this very interesting brand. Oh, lovely, na?
Lovely.
Lovely.
It's light as a feather.
Yeah, it's titanium, light as a feather, slim movement. It's around 12 lakhs. This one is around 9 lakhs, which is again above my budget. But
And
this one is
how much is this?
this is around 6 lakhs if I'm not mistaken. I will ask them.
I think that.
Yeah, it's 6 lakh 65, but this is that Millimedia chronograph,
Okay.
and it's 45 mm. I don't know how.
Yeah,
it
it's
will
too
look,
big. It's too, I
but
think.
try it out. I think find it more.
a little big. I don't know what is the lug to lug. Yeah.
This is
see,
45
always
mm.
when selecting a watch, the
Lug to
lug to
lug
lug
size,
is
but
of
they
prime
told me
importance.
45 mm.
Yeah, 45 mm is the
But it's
diameter.
value for money.
Yeah,
na?
yeah, no
You
doubt about
always
that.
lean
Yes,
towards
yes, yeah.
something which is more how much to spend. Then this one is Behrams. Very, very interesting. You see
Oh,
this?
this is beautiful. Yeah.
This is showing the minutes, and the other one is showing the time. Out. Now forget it. Let's finish it. I mean to say, so much time I
So
took
then-
for just shortlisting watches. This is most
Let's-
expensive. 12 lakhs. But
No, it's not 12.
more than that.
It's 15,
15
15 and a half lakh.
Keep it, forget it. How about selecting from here?
And I think given its uniqueness, I would go for the.
This, not this.
Huh?
I would be stuck with Blapa, not with this.
No,
if you're spending on,
actually,
I know
okay,
uniqueness,
yeah.
yes, I agree with you, but
Okay,
you
but-
like Super Luminova, you like, to
Okay,
read
but
the
Super
watch.
Luminova, so what is the duration that it's illuminated? Like you have some luminosity which is for 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
General times. Nothing more will last.
15 to 20 minutes will last.
Okay.
Because the power reserve is for at least
90 hours.
90 hours.
Okay. So almost for about more than 4 days.
So this one you already paid for me, or you didn't give me choice. Like I gave you choice.
Hmm? I thought you would really love that.
I love it. I do love it, but
Yeah, I think I would go in for.
Go with this or
Lapa.
this. Now you can try this. It's something different. Both are very good. Very tough decision.
No, but
I
of
think
course,
we should
Lapa,
go for
yeah,
Blapa.
Lapa.
Value for money.
Money, yeah, yeah.
I
Of
think
course,
this is
it has a-
price at 9 lakh it is. Yeah, it's 9 lakh 90, but this is also 10 lakhs, and this, if you look at, is 6 lakhs, right?
6,60,000.
6 lakh 60,000. Okay.
So,
Tough decision.
Tough decision, yeah.
Kevin, now only 2 minutes more and you take a decision.
Okay, I will settle for the Lapa.
Blapa? Not for this?
No,
Are you sure?
no, I like it. This is something which is really very different. But God
I'm trying
forbid.
to tempt him to make me spend less, but he's wanting to spend
No,
more.
I prefer the simplicity of
Blapa.
Blapa.
Okay.
And Blapa has its own status and
Own
brand
charm.
value.
Okay. So there you go. We have shortlisted a Blapa for him, Chopard for me. Yeah. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.